Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Shankhyata and you are in my world. Well, the description says it all. It's gonna be a very basic makeup, but something which is easy. I just do it in a very easier process for you all to make it very quick. It's gonna be a Saraswati Puja look. It's a little traditional, little trendy. If you really enjoy my videos, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram, The Disappeared Soul, and on Facebook, Shankhyata. First things first, I will be using a tape to, make the eyes look very precise. I'm taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. I'm using the shade 40 Caramel, I guess. Okay. I'm just gonna go all over my eyelid. I'm taking the PAC 219 concealer brush and just blending it all there. Next, I'm gonna go with the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, the Enchanted Icon palette. Okay, I'm taking a flat brush and I'm taking this cream part of the palette. So I'm taking the lighter one, just taking the lighter one and going all over my eyelid, sorry. Like, just spread this out. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just blend this all out. Even though it's a cream product, it's so easy to blend. Next, I'm gonna take the brown one. It's a very light brown, but I slightly wanna apply this. I'm gonna go in the corners. And I'm gonna take this brown color. It's the powder one, of course. And I'm just gonna go all over the waterline. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Taking the darker brown shade and damping it off the lighter brown shade. So I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and just go all over the place. See, this is kind of messy. This doesn't need to be perfect. I'm taking the Swiss Beauty Ultimate eyeshadow palette in the shade 5. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette of this brand, because it all has got that smoky eye look vibe kind of a thing here. I'm taking the small fluffy brush and I'm taking this brown. This is a very good pigmented brown. I'm going again to the waterline and I'm taking a darker brown. These two are quite a similar shade of color. This is very easy for Saraswati Puja's morning look. Whatever the mess is, we're gonna let it happen because it is gonna be messy. It's a smoky eye look. It doesn't need to be perfect. Just light-handedly stew it. And I'm taking the black. Now, since my base is quite set here, I'm just gonna go near the waterline, just near the liner line, and roughly applying the black eyeshadow. I'm taking very little amount so that if there's any corrections that is to be made, that can be done. You can also use a kajal at this point, but I'm like too lazy and I'm very sure I would be very late that morning. So just bring it all up. There's a little mess, not a problem. I'm gonna take the brown. You can do this entire thing with this one palette, but since I was using the cream portion and a little bit of the brown shades from there, I took that palette as well. You can do it in one palette as well. And this palette is quite affordable. I'm taking the deep medium brown and I'm just going on top of the black. Just, diffusing the harsh lines and going all the way up to my crease. So it's all dark up there. I'm going to take the fluffy brush and the very light brown from this singular palette and going all over my crease. Just blending everything all out. I'm going to go with the black again. Little portions of the black, dusting off the excess and making that wing. Taking the brush that has the brown eyeshadow and taking a little bit more from here, dusting off the excess and going all again in. The most smart way of doing a smoky eyeliner. Even the ones who doesn't know how to do makeup will be able to do this one. Now, you can keep this eye makeup just the way it is, or you can make it all more dramatic with a black kajal or an eyeliner. But you should see the crisp line that we've made. Take the black eyeshadow brush. Do not take any product. Again, I'm saying do not take any product. And just go there down. Because I want a little drama. Now this is the kind of the smoky eye makeup that you can go out about like at any point of the time of the day. Same with the brown one, just take the brush and just blend it all out. Now using this dense brush, I am taking the lightest brown shade. I am not dabbing off the excess and I'm just going directly on the under eye. This is one of the most easiest and beginner friendly smoky eye look for Saraswati Puja, morning, evening, whenever you feel it's perfect. Next I'm taking the Mars Makeup Remover wipes. Whatever is there in the inner corner as well, I am taking it all out. See? We have fallouts. Okay. Before I go with any kind of base makeup, I'm just going to use the Dot & Key Ceramides Hyaluronic Barrier Repair Moisturizer. This is one of my most favorite moisturizers of all times. I use this the entire year. And during the summers, I tell you, I have oily skin. And this does not make it more oily. This does not add up any oil, it's just that it keeps my skin hydrated. I'm gonna go with the Insight 3-in-1 primer. It's an oil-free, long-lasting primer. Okay, my foundation is done. I have used the Mars High Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade 06. It's a very good foundation. It's actually high coverage formula. And now I'm gonna go with the Zudio concealer in the shade Ginger to conceal my under eyes. I haven't gone, with the color correcting of my skin. Alright, so I am keeping this for a while and I'm going with the other parts of the forehead, like wherever I see a little bit of something happening. I'm not going on the places where I have the most pigment. Quickly blending it all in place. And I'm not dragging, I'm just dabbing. Okay, I'm using the Lakme Multi Slayer stick. This is in the shade neutral medium. This is not exactly a contouring shade, but it's of course a bronzing shade. Are your points? And also covering a little bit area from the blush. Next, to reduce a step, I am going to use a blush. Now you can go with the pink blush, but I am mostly in the mood of a brownish or a peachish tone blush. So I'm using this from Glam 21. This is their Cookie Crush Cream Blush. It's in the shade 03 Macaron. Now I'm going to take this cream blush in the brush and I'm going to blend it along with the contour, making it look very seamlessly blended, but also adding a little color to the face. Whatever is there in the puff, whatever product there is, I'm just going to go below the contour lines to make it look seamless. So with whatever there is on the brush, I'm going to go under the space of the eyeliner. Taking a smaller concealer brush and I'm just going to go all over the under eye portion where there's high chances of having creases. And as I have cleared all the creases, now I'm going to take this Renee Everyday Makeup Fixer and I'm going to go all over the face very light-handedly. Since it's a very dry season, I'm not going to go with loose powder. I'm just going to go with the compact powder. This is from Sugar Pop Longwear Compact Powder. I'm just going to take it in the powder puff and go right under my eyes. I'm just going to go wherever it's needed. I'm using the Mars Fantasy Face palette. It's in the shade 02. It's a very good palette. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to take the two bronzer shades and I'm going to go all over that place. I'm going to take a very pale pink kind of shade, almost combining every shade possible, dusting off the excess and going under the wing. First I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty matte lip liner. It's in the shade Dark Chocolate 12. It is one of my favorites. Next you can go with two things. Either you can go with the Mars lipstick or any lipstick for that matter, or you can go with the lip tint. So first I'll apply the Mars lipstick. This is the Mousse Matte lipstick. It's in the shade 03 Queen 03. Now you can keep it this way, you can keep it matte. I'm gonna go a little bit of the tint, making it a little darker. Just going all over this. This is the Zudio Hyaluronic Acid lip tint. It's in the shade Lush Caramel. It's one of my favorite. Look, now I'm gonna do the hair and the outfit off camera and I'll be back. Well, this is the final look, but this is the entire makeup look. This is how you can see. Now you can turn this basic makeup look to a glam. This is very simple, this is very elegant. If you have any thoughts to my videos, do drop in some comments. It will really mean a lot to me. And yeah, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also, hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my updates. Till then, lots of love. Bye and keep watching my videos.